Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. Start by opening settings and choosing sounds and vibration. Over here you can click on Vibrate, and this way mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. You can also click on sound and tap on the switcher next to Vibrate for ringing to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then scroll down, choose call vibration pattern and select one of the vibration patterns for your incoming calls, like TikTok. Then select notification vibration pattern and do the same for your notifications. Go back, tap on vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Go back, choose System Sound, Vibration Control, scroll all the way down, and click on the switchers next to all of those vibration features to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!